sustainable company. During the 1970s, a team of economists highlighted for the first time the issue of conservation of natural resources in the long term. The ability of the economic players to meet the needs of contemporary society without compromising those of future generations remained the focus of this debate for over 20 years. After that period, it was finally declared it was impossible to substitute the natural capital with the economic capital, and the companies operating within the territory were immediately required to develop a sustainable model. The corporate vision at IMI Fabi is to maintain sustainability all along the value chain. The review of all the marketing leverage related to the environmental impact has enabled the company to combine the concept of sustainable development with the marketing approach, creating added value already in the strategic positioning process. Besides financial indexes, the company developed further indicators concerning research and development, personnel training, quality assurance, codes of ethics, and customer loyalty. This allows IMI Fabi to improve the company value chain in terms of environmental compatibility. Thanks to a new culture aimed at optimizing the reduction of consumptions and therefore of wastes through recycling, it is now possible to pursue a sustainable approach even at an early stage of mineral extraction, thereby minimizing the possible negative environmental impact and cooperating with local communities. The company provides research and development with adequate financial and technological resources in order to develop and implement innovative products with limited environmental impact. The loss of biodiversity has been prevented through projects aimed to preserve the environment. These have been developed thanks to the strong partnership of qualified naturalists, and through the creation of 2 nature trails, able to emphasize the main aspects of local morphology and ecosystem. As required by business objectives, constantly monitored and periodically re-evaluated, the company pursues an environmental policy for reducing carbon dioxide emissions, CO2, resulting from the daily operations. Logistics services are increasingly optimized, and when feasible, road transports are limited and combined with rail or maritime services. Finally, by promoting the use of renewable energy, the company developed assets with high added value, being considered as a key point for safeguarding of the planet's resources. The specific contribution that IMI Fabi is currently offering to the development of renewable energy within the country is divided into 4 main fields. Solar energy, thanks to the realization of a photovoltaic park located in Pianfei near Cuneo in northern Italy. Hydroelectric energy, through the participation of 30% of the hydroelectric project along Malero Stream in Sondrio province. Wind energy, through a feasibility study for testing the possibility to build a wind farm near the Samatta mine near Nuoro and eventually include it in a broader environmental restoration plan. Thermoelectric energy. In 2014, a cogeneration plant started up at IMI Fabi's site in Postalesio, thereby giving it partial electric independence, and at the same time the opportunity to reuse the heat generated in the talc production cycle. Corporate social responsibility is further safeguarded by several systems of management, such as quality assurance, UNI-EN ISO 9001-2015, health, safety and environmental assurance, UNI-EN ISO 14001-2004, and OHSAS 18001-2007, and energy management, UNI-EN ISO 50001-2011, together with codes of ethics and equal opportunity policies. The economic support provided to education, recreational groups, social and humanitarian associations, and conservation of artistic heritage gives a final overview of the company's ability to meet the legitimate expectations of stakeholders. IMI Fabi believes that the future will pass through a continuous review of corporate structure, which must be able to meet the needs expressed by the existing population, preserving the natural capital in its intrinsic characteristics.